Shake, shake. Hi, everyone. This is Yana Smakula. Welcome back to my channel. You are watching the Crafty Advent Calendar video series, and today we are looking at day 17. Just a quick reminder, I do have videos looking at all the other previous days of this Advent. I'm quite impressed with myself, to be honest. As much as I love opening the Advent calendar and creating projects or at least one project with the surprise each day, it's also a little bit time consuming for me. And, I try to do a whole bunch of other things, and it has been quite a challenge trying to fit this into my schedule. But nonetheless, I am glad that I'm able to do so. I am a little behind, as you can tell, but still enjoying my advent calendar just as much. So today we're on day 17, and I wonder what this is going to bring us. So let's go ahead and open this. Okay, maybe I use my tool-in-one this time to make it easier. These are perforated, but sometimes they're just a little hard to open. Okay, let's see. Ooh, nothing there. I bet this is another pack of sequins. Yep, I was correct. So we have another pack of sequins. Just a reminder, we already had one pack of sequins in one of the previous days, and this is the card that I created with those sequins. I used about half a pack to make the shaker card, so I can just as easily make another shaker with the purple sequins. And now we have these beautiful, oh, by the way, here is my little dish with the purple sequins. And let me go get another dish and I'll open these. These kind of look like white, or I don't know, maybe iridescent, clear. We'll see. Okay. Yeah, these are like clear, but a little bit toward, they lean a little bit toward the white color. Okay, I'm not sure what I'm going to create. Maybe another shaker, because I really like them. So we will see. Let me think about it, and I'll be back. And here's a look at my card created with today's surprise. I once again made it into a shaker. This time I remembered the gorgeous perfume bottle from the Gorgeous You collection from Spellbinders from, I think it's from earlier this year. It's an absolutely beautiful collection, also an absolutely beautiful die set. I do have another video where I share 3 cards with this perfume bottle, but none of them are a shaker. Today, I thought, it would be fun to cut out the inside of the bottle and turn it into a shaker and fill it with those white or, clear iridescent sequins. I also had this idea for a different color combo where I used blue and orange. This is not a color combo I've explored in the past, and I was very eager to give this a try. So here I have Windy. I also have Cascade. Now, my background at first I just had the Windy cardstock, and the background looked a little bit too plain. It looked boring, so I added the panel of Cascade cut diagonally. Also, originally my background was 5x7, but I later trimmed it down to 4.5 by 6.5 inches. This is not yet adhered onto a card base. I will do that later, and I'm still not sure if I'll put it on a 5x7 card base with like a wide white border, or if I'll make a card base of this size. I'll have to see. But I really like how this shaker turned out. It's a very clean and simple, but very bold and graphic card, exactly how I like them. So I used the floral die from the Gorgeous You collection. You can see I have a whole bunch of pieces here because this is a very convenient way to store my dies. So I have the dies, but I also have die cuts in here and the craft stacks. I've been talking about these craft stacks nonstop, but guys, they really are fantastic. So that's why I keep using them, and that's why, I keep talking about them all the time. So what I'm trying to say is I used this die, which is actually a base for little flowers. This is one of the flowers that I created in the past. I was planning to use it for another card, but I didn't use it. So I used this little, circle. It's not exactly a circle, but it's like a circular shape with like some, bends or something and like little notches. So I used that and I turned that into an orange. I also used the leaves from this die set. I cut them out from green cardstock. I actually used peridot and rainforest. I added a little bit of ink blending using like a darker orange color. The orange color of cardstock is carrot, and for the ink blending, I used coral. This is a newer color of ink from Simon Sestia, but any dark orange color would do here just to add a little bit of contrast. I also added some ink blending to the inside of my perfume bottle, although you can't really see any of that because, well, you just can't. You can't see it. Another color of cardstock I used here is this one. It's chiffon. I used that to cut out the bow. The bow is placed slightly at an angle to kind of follow that diagonal line here. So I have different lines here. I have a vertical line of the oranges, but I also have the diagonal line of the background and also the bow with the oranges. I don't know if that tells you anything, but that's kind of how I see this card, and that's just why I added the elements the way I added them, just to add movement. I wanted this card to have movement and interest because, like I said, it's a simple card. Not a lot of things are happening here. I also die cut tiny little flowers. These are also from this die set. I added the peach blush gems inside the flowers to create the flower centers. And then I also created the sentiments. There is a fantastic sentiment set in this collection. There are several sentiments, some that fit inside the perfume bottle. Here's like one of them: happiness looks gorgeous on you. And then there are also other sentiments like the skinny strip type sentiments, all fantastic, designed to work with the gorgeous You collection. I foiled one in matte silver foil. I wanted to use the white foil, but I still don't have any. My white foil is on the way, so as soon as it gets here, I'll start using it. But for now, I'm just using the matte silver, which is the next best thing for me, that looks almost as white. So this is a look at this card created with the today's surprise from the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. I'll be back tomorrow with the next day.